we are going to see the some of the facilities which are offered by the state government of Tamil Nadu for the entrepreneurs. That is the topic for the day. Tamil Nadu has been a leading state in industrial powerhouse. We have seen a lot of industries have set their uh, factories in Tamil Nadu, and we have a lot of industrial workers in the country, and it is in terms of industrial output also, we are the highest in number. And we are the second state which reach 8.4 percentage of GDP. So the government has the industrial policy in 2014. Now they updated the industrial policy to have a vision document for 2023. Okay, the Tamil Nadu, we have a highly developed industrial manufacturing ecosystem. So everything has been systemized in Tamil Nadu. So we are the largest hub for production of automobiles and auto components, textile, leather, light and heavy engineering, pumps and motors, electronic software and hardware. So these are the major exports we are doing from our state as a part of representing the country India. So we also exporting numerous automobile and automotive components and software and ready-made garments also. So many renowned globally famous firms have established their units here, and they are called, they are called as Fortune 500 companies. So we have close to 70 Fortune 500 companies established in our state, and we also have a lot of education institutions, so 2,500 education institutions, including the central government, state government, public and private sector university. So this is going to add to the talent pool of the state. So we are having the highest turnout of skilled workforce in India, catering to various sectors. So these are the some of the pride of our state. And the global investors meet 2019 was conducted by the government. So attracting the investment up to 3 lakh crore rupees, and 304 memorandum of understanding were signed, and slowly each one will be coming into picture. So this was a success. This was a successful meet as told by the government, and investments of growth to 8,835 crore from 41 MOU signed during the industrial roadshows in USA, UAE, and other and rupees 11,350 crore from other industrial projects in the state. So this continued despite the COVID situation, what happened. So this continued despite the state having a huge number of COVID cases. We had close to 40,000 crore investment in the state. What is the reason for people coming and investing in Tamil Nadu? So the conducive business environment, so everything is straightforward. The government approvals and all is going to be happening in a very short amount of time. Okay, so the business environment is very good for the companies to start their business in Tamil Nadu, and the endowment of capital and human resources. So we have rich skilled labor available, which will be helpful for the companies to recruit them and start employing them in their institution. And also, we are on the coastline. It is on the Coromandel coast. So we have strong. We have a port where you can export the goods. We have a well-connected road line, rail line, and airport links. So we have four international airports and four large seaports and several minor seaports. So this actually aided the growth. So contributing 9.8% of India's export happened from Tamil Nadu. Okay, so the Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridor project. So you can see our colleges on the Chennai Bangalore Industrial Corridor. So it is industrial corridor means on the both sides of the road you can find industries. And the Chennai Kanyakumari Industrial Corridor project are expected to further transform and landscape the state in the next few years. So already we have this, and they are going to further promote industries on the highway so that they can have good transportation facilities.